This is my Meta Quest 3. If you have one or are considering one, you should consider how uncomfortable this face pad is. And if you don't think it's uncomfortable, another issue I have with it is there's a lot of light bleed. I will admit, it does an okay job keeping light out around the edges, right here, and kind of up here, but there's one main issue, and let me know in the comments below if you have that same issue. It's on the nose part. There's so much light bleed and I can see underneath, and it's not great for the immersive experience. And so I'm here to fix that with Kiwi. Kiwi Design has a lot of products that are actually partnered with Meta, so they're legit as if you're buying it straight from Meta for your Quest. This is the Quest V3 facial interface, and I'll have it in the description below the like button if you want to check it out, and stay watching the video, because when I show it to you, I think you might want to use this one instead of the stock one. Really simple box. The packaging is super easy. Once you get the tape part off, all you gotta do is open it up. Inside, it's really small packaging. You just get a user manual and then the faceplate. That's all you need. This is what you are given. So let's try to put it on. Oh yeah, that is a whole lot better. You can see it really cupped around my face. I kind of look like an owl right now, but I'm assuming this is gonna make the experience a whole lot better, and we can test it. Also, it does come with a second pad as well, in case, I guess, if you want to switch this out with someone, that's a good use case, or if you want to have a face pad to use during the day, and then you also have one you want to use at night, because you know, you have your face oils during the day, you clean up at night, you just want to relax and use a cleaner pad, you can dedicate for that. So you have two pads. They come off of this super easily. It's just held in with Velcro. So you can see, you can just peel it up and it starts coming off. And when I want to set it back down, just set it back down. Super simple. On my face. Let's try to put it on the Quest 3. If you don't know how to take this stock one off, it's pretty simple. All you're going to want to do is pull it away from the Quest 3. So if I'm holding it up like this, I'm just going to be pulling it down. We'll just go all the way around, start peeling it off, and it comes off. This is the stock one. And if I put it right here, you can see my nose. There's so much space. If I'm facing down like this, you can see my nose. There's like so much space right here. There's a whole cavity, and that's where the light bleed is coming from. So we have the cavity. I can literally stick my whole finger through right there. On that one, the stock one, versus this one, check this out. It has these little flaps right here that will prevent the light from leaking through, and I can't stick my finger. I mean, I kind of can, but the flaps, these guys are going to prevent that. So let's go ahead and put it on the Quest 3. They've made this process so simple. You're just going to snap it in, and snap it in. And you are good. I think this is gonna be so much better. Oh yeah, yep, there is no light bleed at all in this thing. I can see y'all. Hello. So obviously I can still see you. The pass-through works great. Everything is fine. It feels a lot more immersive because, again, zero light bleed compared to this one, which has this part right here, no flaps, nothing. Remember the big difference here, and I think the really big key to this one is that it has those nose flaps, so you don't have that light bleed going in, and it just makes the whole experience so much better, guys. I really love it. Just test it. Get it out, try it on your Quest 3. Okay, let's get this thing off and we'll talk about a few more things that has to do with this face pad. The L-shaped ventilation interface bracket allows effective ventilation, and it prevents light from leaking through the vents, which we just talked about and showed off. The face will be much drier when we use this face pad because it is a wide and soft face cushion. It's wide enough to wrap around your face. It's also thick and soft. It uses like a PU or faux leather, and you can press these down and feel not really any resistance with your fingers and then to your face. You can play for long periods of time without feeling any pressure or discomfort. I think this should alleviate a little bit of the heaviness that the Quest 3 can sometimes feel because of the just pressure on your face. This relieves some of it. Guys, I was playing Beat Saber with my girlfriend the other day and we played for like hours. I had red marks underneath my face just because of the headset being pushed up against my face so much. I like to have the lenses really close and it did not look great. Because of the skin friendlier PU or faux leather pad, we can avoid these, and I'm super excited to not look like I have red eyeshadow. It can be easily wiped clean with alcohol cotton pads or just water after use. And remember, they gave you this extra pad so you can have multiple uses for it or have it with your family or friends. And the absolute biggest thing is the blocking of the light. So you're gonna get a better immersion. I just felt it for like the minute I had it on. I think this face pad, because of the enhanced comfort, the better ventilation, and the biggest thing for me, the blockage of the light, is a necessary upgrade to your Quest 3. So thanks Kiwi Design for making this. Thanks Kiwi Design for sending me one. And if you want to check one out for yourself, you should at least check it out, okay? At least test it. Get it to test it on your Quest 3. I really like it. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. I can maybe make a video or respond to you. Either way, I'll have a discount code for you. Make sure you check that out. It'll help you out a little bit. And so you can pick one of these up for yourself or someone you know. Thank you guys for opening this with me. Make sure you subscribe to see more Quest 3 videos because we'll have a lot more of these, and Quest 2 videos. My girlfriend has a Quest 2. So we're gonna be playing around with those a lot coming soon.